उनसे नहीं बच पाते।
A big round of applause for our chief guest, Miss Vidya Balan.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Father Fraser, Sam, Dr. Paul, and to all of you present here, I must say I'm humbled to have been invited to this event. I've studied under Sam. I've been, I wanted to say I've been one of his good students, but that's not for me to say. I've had the honor of being his student, and he's always been an inspiration. I think Father Fraser said that Xavier's is about celebrating diversity. I think Sam's life is about celebrating vision. And that's what has always inspired me. And a whole lot of us down the years. He's done some pioneering work by establishing the Xavier's Resource Center called Visually Challenged. And I had, I got introduced to a lot of devices this afternoon. And even though I may not remember the correct technical terms for all of them, I think it is inspiring to say the least. It's extremely impressive to know how everyone can be integrated into the mainstream. That's what I think is the motto of the Xavier's Resource Center for the Visually Challenged. So that blindness just remains a physical condition, not a handicap or an impairment. Which is, in the context of which I want to congratulate IIT Delhi, Saksham, and I don't know Shinano Kinshi for the great work they've done with the Smart Cane and the FlexTop Vachak. I'm not going to go into the merits of the Smart Cane because you've seen the video and Mr. Gupta has just spoken about the FlexTop. But I think the interesting thing is that it's making the world a smaller place, or maybe it's making the world that much larger for everyone involved. I think that's the one thing that that was one of the first things that I felt at Xavier's. There was place for everyone here. You could be from any walk of life, you could be anyone, and there was space for you to learn and grow and blossom. I developed wings here at Xavier's, and I think that's what XRCVC has been doing and will continue to do in the years to come. All the very best to Sam and the XRCVC, and to all of you who are going to benefit from these devices. मैं थोड़ा बहुत हिंदी में भी कहना चाहूँगी. मुझे पता है कि कुछ हिंदी बोलने वाले लोग भी हैं यहाँ और बहुत खुशी महसूस हो रही है कि इतने सालों बाद मुझे Xavier's आने का मौका मिला एक इतने खास प्रोग्राम के लिए जहाँ ये असिस्टेड डिवाइसेस FlexTop वाचक और स्मार्ट के लॉन्च किए जा रहे हैं. FlexTop वाचक के द्वारा आप टेक्स्ट हिंदी में भी पढ़ पाएंगे और ऑडियो बुक्स तो सारे लैंग्वेजेस में अवेलेबल हैं. और स्मार्ट केन से भी इसकी खासियत मुझे यही लगी कि काफ़ी बार मैंने भी देखा है कि जो केन्स यूज़ करते हैं लोग उसके द्वारा सिर्फ ग्राउंड लेवल की जो चीज़ें हैं उनसे बचते हैं, जो घुटनों के ऊपर की चीज़ें हैं उनसे नहीं बच पाते. पर स्मार्ट केन के द्वारा अब आप सेफ रहेंगे. और मुझे बड़ी खुशी है कि मुझे ही लॉन्च करने के लिए बुलाया गया है. इसके लिए मैं प्रोफेसर सैम, फादर फ्रेजर और सभी का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगी. एंड ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. थैंक यू.
Miss Savita Bhimrao.
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ वापस जेवियर्स आकर। जेवियर्स आने का हर मौका खास होता है, पर आज का मौका बहुत ही ज़्यादा खास है क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमने जेवियर्स रिसोर्स सेंटर फॉर द विजुअली चैलेंज के तहत 2 डिवाइसेस लॉन्च किए। वन स्मार्ट केन, और मैं जेवियर्स से बहुत वक्त से जुड़ी हूँ।